Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely beast mode move, not only price-wise, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above this point right here at $6.60. Now, am I saying that if the price drops below 660 that everything's totally ruined? No, I'm not saying that at all. That's just that preferable area where if the price can manage to somehow stay up above it, that would be a huge sign of strength or huge sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back, looking at more so a bigger picture type thing. So if you're saying, hey, look, Clay, I just care about more so a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the current move. This right here being defined as the current move. So if you want a very cut and dry way to define, and measure the health or lack thereof of it, just keep an eye on that purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, as long as the price stays up above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the quote-unquote movement is in the bull's full favor. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that. That is what that line is going to represent. Again, yeah, if it can stay above 660, perfect. But from the grand scope of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the overall trend fully belongs in the bull's favor. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, I'm going to have to scrunch up the chart here quite a bit. So it's going to get harder to see, but this is always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. So again, I realize hard to see, but good problem to have because this just shows that the price has not been up this high for a very long time. So next overall area of resistance, I'm going to call right up there at about $6.95. And just in case tomorrow is another beast mode type day, next level after $6.95, right up there at $7.20. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see, but it all starts up front by building those higher bases, and the easiest way to gauge that is see if the price can stay up above that purple line. We'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.